Vinegar.
There's hair?
Big? There's hair?
Ate Helen, pakero mo ate.
Edwin, show them how to eat the chicken feet.
Lumayas ka nga dyan.
Look at
Anywhere
Arjen.
you like. You know.
You can dip
However which way you try to hold it, you can try to...
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
You have to dip it.
Oh, that's nice. Going feet first into it.
It neutralizes the samsam.
I'm sorry, there's no chicken meat, so we have to make the chicken feet. Is there actually any meat on the chicken feet?
Yes, yeah, just skin and cartilage.
I was just going to say I don't like meat, I don't like chicken like
Okay.
Just
After
have a
that-
teeny bite.
Ah, that's nice.
Just put it at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay, let's go to the chicken intestines.
Chicken
I
head.
forgot she's been down here one day more.
To make this a friendly practice, you just have to, you know, shake this chicken back.
Put it at the back.
Friendly man.
And how about the head?
Okay,
What, for my back?
Let's
Scratch my
taste
back?
that.
that is the
Wow!
It's the head.
head. Wow!
Yeah.
That's a good meal.
Unfortunately, I don't eat it myself.
Hey!
I'm just for the feet.
Good.
Not for the head.
You eat like this, oh?
No.
Wow.
That's big. I took a bit, look.
Oh yeah,
God.
that's nice.
I'm a vegetarian.
Oh no, you're not.
Okay, this time
Remember
you're really a
KFC?
vegetarian, huh?
This is KFC on the street, you know.
Let's give him a vegan.
Yeah.
Let's give him a vegan.